Right, what I'm about to show you here, very, very tough technique this one. You're gonna need a bit of patience and a great amount of skill. Is when do you know is the right time to give this its second coat, and I'm gonna show you. You ready? You just touch it. If it's dry, it's ready for another coat. Right, here we go, the moment of truth. So this is the tessa tape removal after we've got the two coats on there with the bead of decorator's cork, and then just painted right into those edges. So I'm going to use this just to get under one of the edges, and hopefully this is going to come off, giving us a nice perfect straight line. Curl it back. Keep it curled down. Keeping it away from the wall. If we do get any spots where it does pull the wall covering off, I will show you how to sort that out. Like that there, bang, right in the corner. It's just pulled a little bit off. Again, always taking it back. Don't pull it too fast. It's go nice and steady. Straight into the bin with that lot. I'll do the top. Just get under there as carefully as you can without marking the wall. Again, just taking it back on itself nice and steady. Careful on this bit because it's going to want to try and fall into that window frame architrave. So we'll ease it and then back out and down. Again, always coming down on yourself. And then away out of that corner. Straight in the bin. Let's take a bit of the paint off my hands because I've pulled this paint as soon as I've put its second coat on, so it's still a little bit, well, it is still wet, which is the way I'd advise doing this, and then off like that. Now that there is what I will do with all the architraves, all the picture rails, all the skirting boards, just to get us at that nice neat edge.